watch this next manoeuvre. It's not the sort of manoeuvre you do with Granny down the back with a gin and tonic in her hands. She would complain. What a fantastic, to be so close to that large aircraft on takeoff. That's something unique with the theatre that we have here at Farnborough. Engineering project began in June 1994 when the type were referred to as the 3XX. Official go-ahead was in December 99, and when an order for the 50th aircraft came in December the next year, the industry launch was confirmed. The maiden flight of the A380 occurred in January 2005, lasting some 3 hours and 54 minutes. It was the start of a test program incorporating some 2,200 flying hours and lasting some 15 months. Rolls-Royce engines on this, the Rolls-Royce Trent 900, is £70,000 plus. And to put that into something else in other context, the Trent 900 draws in enough air to inflate 72,000 party balloons in 1 second. And the success of the A380 can be seen that in January this year, orders stood at over 300 orders, 304 to be exact, with 122 of these aircraft types already delivered. The vertical oval design of the aircraft allows 10 abreast seating in the lower cabin, 8 abreast in the upper deck, whilst the typical 3-class configuration for the 380-800 seats over 500 passengers. You could, in high-density seating, get 853 passengers on board. Flight management system from Honeywell TARDIS provide the display. There's an option for a head-up display. Huge brake wing area. That wing span 79.8 metres. The height and length of the aircraft are 24.1 metres and 72.8 respectively. The launch variant of the aircraft is the 380-800, and a stretch 900 series is under consideration. Larger aircraft will represent a 10-frame stretch with 656 people in a 3-class layout, but in high-density configuration, up to 990 people could be carried. It is a terrific site over here at Farnborough, this historic site, the birthplace of British aviation. Cody first flew from down on the far right. Indeed, faster here with facilities. They can go and talk to the museum. And there's a monument to Cody now outside the fast area as the A380 positions to slowly fly past. And this again is an extraordinary sight. This majestic flypast by this huge airliner. And still relatively quiet. It's almost unbelievable, I think, isn't it, to see this large aircraft drifting gently past. Power will come on soon, climb our way to a steep climb to the downwind position, and then the steep descent on the final plan. Flight crew of 2 located the mezzanine level between the 2 decks. Airbus also offer the A380s at